Welcome, family. In today's knowledge, let's talk about how to be a dad to your newborn. Watch till the end as I talk about great bonding tips to help dad to be, or new dad with the baby. Many dads feel unneeded or left out of the relationship when they see how close mom and baby are, especially when mom is breastfeeding. It takes time and effort for dads to find ways to bond with their new baby in the early months. Here are great tips for bonding without using a bottle or feeding the baby. Wear the baby sling, carrier, wrap. This allows the baby to feel, smell, and see dad. Bathe the baby. Whether in a small tub or in the big tub with baby and dad in skin-to-skin care. Get on the floor with baby. View the world from his or her location, and talk, touch, tickle, sing, read, and hold him or her. Diaper changes will keep dad and baby in close eye contact, allowing for soothing and reassurance from dad to baby. Take the baby out of the house, solo. This one-on-one time helps dad build his own relationship with baby, allowing him to learn about his baby's needs and how to meet them without use of a bottle. Read to the baby. This can start even prior to birth. Reading is a brain development behavior and baby loves to hear dad's voice. Massage the baby. Dad can take a class on infant massage and learn how to gently soothe, touch, and safely and effectively massage his little one. Sing to the baby, whether you can carry a tune or not. And if you play an instrument, add that to the serenade. Burp the baby after each feeding. Dads just seem to have that special touch when it comes to burping. I've seen it time and again over the past 20+ years. Settle baby into his or her own bed after mom has completed a middle-of-the-night feeding. Take pictures or videos of baby for mom and or dad to have when away from the baby. Take advantage of any parental leave offered at work, and plan to spend that time with just mom and baby, increasing the bonding and joys of those early weeks. The list is endless, and yes, you can be more creative in finding opportunities for bonding with your little ones. Want to know more? Subscribe, like and share. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.